Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Biggerfive Kids and Teens Fitness Tracker. Hopefully by the end of the video you will be able to make a decision on whether this is the right watch for your child or not. Inside the box there is an instructions manual, a service card with the support contact details, the main watch and two sets of straps. As you can see, the watch is small and lightweight and it looks really smart. It comes in several colours: pink, blue, black, purple and green. The battery lasts for 4 to 5 days on average, but can last up to 7 days with low usage. Charging it is really easy. All you need to do is pull out the bottom strap on the side with the battery icon and plug it directly into a USB port on a computer, phone charger or power bank. Full charge requires 1 to 2 hours. Now let's look at its capabilities. To turn on or move between screens, tap the icon on the bottom of the screen. The first screen will display the day, date, time and battery. The second screen will display the sport activity mode. The third screen will display your step count during the day. The fourth screen will display your total distance covered. The fifth screen will display your total calories burnt. And the sixth screen will display your total activity duration. I will show you later in the video how to change the display from landscape to portrait. If you're going for a run or a walk and you want to track this specific activity, go to the Sport Activity mode. Press and hold the icon for 3 seconds. It will count you down and the activity will start. The stopwatch will now start timing your activity. It will also start counting the steps, distance covered and calories burnt for this activity. To exit this activity, go back to the Sports mode and press and hold for 3 seconds. It will count you down and the activity will end. Now let's have a look at the app. The watch works with the VeryFit Pro app. Watch the video that will appear on the card above to learn how to set up your watch with the VeryFit Pro app. After you've set up the watch with the app, you will be able to change the settings on your watch and see additional stats. The home page will display your steps, calories burnt, mileage and activity duration. It will also display your sleep statistics. This includes deep sleep, light sleep and awake time. Now tap on Device at the bottom of the screen. If you want the activity tracker to send you call notifications, then tap on Call Alert, then enable Call Alert and tap the correct sign on the top right side of the screen. If you want your watch to notify you when you've been inactive for too long, then tap on Sedentary Alert and enable it. Here you can tune when to get notified. Then tap on the correct sign. If you want to set alarms on your activity tracker, tap on Alarm Alert, then tap on the plus icon and select the type, time and schedule of your alarm. Then tap on the correct sign. You can also enable SNS Alert to receive SMS, email and social media notifications. First enable Allow Notifications and select the social media apps you want to receive notifications from. Don't forget to tap the correct sign. The watch can also be used to trigger the photo shutter on your phone. Now tap on More. Display mode will allow you to switch between portrait and landscape displays. Enabling anti-theft alert will make your watch vibrate whenever your watch is not within your phone's Bluetooth range. Enabling Find My Phone will add an additional display on your watch that will allow you to ring your phone. You can also reboot your watch using the app. Overall, this is an excellent watch if you're looking to track your walking or running activities. It is very easy to use and looks really nice on the wrist. It is highly recommended for kids or teenagers as an entry-level smartwatch. This should cover most of the things you can do with this watch. If you have a question about this product, please leave a comment below this video. You can buy this watch directly from the website biggerfive.com and benefit from our exclusive promo code. Please read the description for more details. With Quick Tips 2, Knowledge has no limits.